One of my very favorite words is defenestrate, which means to throw someone out the window. And I'm not speaking metaphorically, it literally means to take someone and throw them out a window. Now there is an alternate definition which means to remove someone from office or a position of authority, but quite obviously the first one's better. And I like it because it's apparently come up enough in our history that we had to make a whole word just specifically for that. I like that about us as a species. I know you're probably thinking, that's not a plant word, why are we talking about it? You're right, defenestrate is not a plant word, but fenestration is, and it's coincidentally your plant word for the day. Like windows in a house, fenestration refers to holes or slits in plant leaves. One of the most common examples of where fenestrations are common and even desirable are in monsteras, specifically in people's Monstera deliciosa. You'll also see it in other philodendrons and other monsteras like Swiss cheese plants and a few others. And in a variety of species around the world, we see them in palm trees and different things as well. But, this is a really common example that people see fairly often. And there are a lot of theories about why a plant like this would want fenestrations or holes in it, and there are some that are more accepted than others. Some people think it's that if they grow in more deserty areas where sandstorms are common, it's so that the sand will sort of fall through the holes in the leaves and the plant can continue to photosynthesize. It could be for places with a lot of rain or tropical storms, so when the wind blows, it goes through the leaves and doesn't tear them up, even though there are other plants with similar size leaves and structure of leaves that do just fine in those conditions. It could be for places like rainforests where it rains a lot so that they will shed water through these fenestrations down towards the roots. That one kind of falls apart a little bit because it rains like every day there and there's plenty of rain and water available. But one of the common prevailing theories right now is that it is for light penetration in jungles and in other tropical environments where you're only getting so much light already down through the canopy and a big dark green leaf like this would further obstruct it. So if I was the sun and I was shining down on this leaf, a little bit of light can go through each of these little fenestrations onto leaves below them. And a lot of research has shown that a leaf that without fenestrations and one that does have it photosynthesize at similar rates, and they do their job pretty well. And so if I'm looking down on this and I'm the sun, light can get to leaves in the understory of the canopy. Regardless of why they are present, which we may figure out one day or we may not, fenestrations give a cool effect and a cool look to leaves, and we shouldn't throw all these ideas out the window. See what I did there at the end, because defenestrate means to